This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by combining the base. 2 cups cornstarch with 1 cup white PVA glue in a nonstick pot. Stir in 1 tablespoon baby oil and 1 tablespoon glycerin to add flexibility, plus 1/2 tsp cream of tartar to prevent crumbling. Heat over the lowest flame while stirring. You do this to evaporate excess moisture and activate the binder. Once it thickens, scrape into a silicone mat. Make sure to cover hands with a... You continue by cooking and pushing the mixture to the right texture. Stir constantly on low for about 6 to 8 minutes until the mass pulls away from the pot and forms a single dough. Once off heat, transfer to a nonstick surface and knead. You want a smooth, pliable feel that holds detail. If it is too sticky, sprinkle small amounts of cornstarch. If too dry, add a few drops of glycerin or oil. This step controls final strength and sculptability. You finish by shaping and curing the doll parts with care. Sculpt on a lightly dusted surface, joining seams with a moistened finger or slip. Thin areas dry faster, so support them until set. Small pieces air dry in 24 to 48 hours. Larger forms may need internal armatures and longer cure time. Once dry, sand lightly and seal. If cracking or crumbling appears, rehydrate with a few drops of glycerin and knead in a small fresh batch to repair. That solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.